Hey guys, Mr. Ohito Hake back with another video. So I'm going to be doing servicing on my car soon. So as you can see, I got loads of pots. So I'm going to do loads of unboxings. So this is for my dad's car because I've already done my air filter and the cabin air filter and the main engine air filter. I've done them too on my car, so I'm doing it for my dad's car as well, which is the Insignia. So this is the cabin air filter, I think. Let me have a look. No, this is the main engine one. Okay, so this is where the air comes in, first point of air that comes in through the engine. It's going to get filtered through that. And my dad's never changed it since he's had the car for a few years now, so it's probably dirty. Okay, and you should change them anyway because it's better for your engine, especially his car being diesel and the twin turbocharger. So yeah. Okay, so this is a BOSCH S0244 air filter. You get one of them in there. All these pots we got for free. Thank you for that. So yeah, there's the code for it. Let's have a look here. There you go. So this can be used on Vauxhall, Opel, Chevrolets. And you got the part number there. Nothing else on the side. Let's have a look on this side. So I always stick with BOSCH because BOSCH is a really good brand. Nothing else there. There you go. BOSCH quality to keep you on the road. BOSCH air filters let your engine breathe, providing more protection, more power, less consumption. Please change your air filter at least once a year. Only a new air filter guarantees the full power and efficiency of engine. So once a year they recommend it. I probably will do anyway. My car I'm going to change it. I'm going to get a KN filter, a performance one, and do a stage 2 remap. And probably get a new exhaust. I'm going to be doing a resonator delete soon, so stay tuned for that. Let's have a look inside here. Okay, so this is the new filter. Let me try to pull this out. Boop, 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 boop. There you go. So as you can see, very thin. All the air goes, all the particles get trapped in that. Look how thin that is. These are the paper, carbon paper. I think that's paper. Yeah, it's paper like the one I have. So it's really good. Look at that. You can also get carbon one. BOSCH. It's giving off a fresh smell to it, which is good, I guess. Like it's brand new made. And you got like a hexagonal filter thing there. I'm guessing that's the top end because the screw points are there. So yeah, it's like all scudgy and stuff. It's weird. So yeah, this is a very high quality filter, so I definitely recommend it. I'll go ahead and unbox these in my next video, so stay tuned for them. See you guys next time. Goodbye.